Okay, let's learn Amazing Grace. I'm going to show it to you in two keys. The first key is the key of G. For that, you're going to need your G chord, your C chord, and your D chord. Okay? The song is in a 3/4, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2. Pretty easy. Now let's change keys. Let's go to the key of D. If you've got a higher voice. For this key, you're going to need D, G, A, and then D. Here we go. 1, 2. So now you know it in two keys. Good luck.